Good morning to a very cold morning in Scotland. It is freezing. I need to put my gloves on soon, but it is freezing cold. There's ice on all the tents, there's ice on the saddles of bikes. It is cold. And also, I'm wearing this today. So Cara, who is with the media team, got me a little birthday girl badge, so I'm going to be wearing that on my bag because it is my birthday today, and it is the longest ride. It's 190k today, which is perfect for me because you know I love a good Audax. So I'm just thinking it's like it's going to be an Audax. I don't think it's that much climbing, maybe like 1500 meters. So 1500 meters or even 1600 over 200k practically is not going to be that bad, but we are going up one major climb. Hey! And the birthday girl, you can't push me. And so yeah, we're going to set off now. I'm going to get my gloves on, so there's not going to be much footage because I can't work this camera with thick gloves on, so just going to have to forgo that and know that it is freezing cold. And then also another thing, everyone is getting taped up. It is the second to last day and people are injured. I've got a little bit of tape on my knee. My knee was niggling a tiny little bit yesterday. It's fine today though. But I've just got a little bit of tape on just to make sure it's all good. I'm gonna go because it's cold. Alright, I'll see you later on.
This is part way up the lek. That's how you say it, lek. Oh, Jesus Christ, it was so steep and I can't feel my fingers, so it was so hard to like grab onto the handlebars. So I've had to take them off. Well done.
Thank you. Oh, you got your hands out.
Well done, lad. And that is where we're going. But I want to put my camera away so I'm scared it's going to drop off my back.
Well done. This is almost the top of the lek, and oh my god, there was some steep, let me get out of this car actually, some steep bits at the bottom. I actually stopped because I had my camera on my back. And I was worried I was going to come off and like smash the camera, so I had to stop, put that away, take my gloves off because I couldn't feel my handlebars. Look at it. That is where we've come from. Cause this could be my last chance. I want you to know, kinda hard to show, but you're all I ever wanted. It's on your lips, they feel electric. It's on my mind, I can't forget it. I'm feeling it's on your lips, they feel electric. It's on my mind, So now we've got a very nice descent, and I've got to say that was an incredible, I always say this, you're just like, oh my god, here she goes again on the back climbing, but that was such a good climb. The bottom part of it was so steep. I was so scared. I couldn't feel my hands because it was literally, the Garmin clocked -2 degrees, and we were just riding along straight roads and it was so cold, and then all of a sudden we just kicked up out of nowhere this climb and I couldn't feel my hands on the handlebars, so I was like, oh my god, what if I can't like steer or hold on? So I had to stop, take the gloves off, warm my hands up, take the camera off my back because I was worried that I was going to slip off, and I just powered up it. And some guy was just like, oh, your speed. I was like, I can't even talk. I could not even talk. But now we're at the top. Definitely a lovely way to start my birthday. And now we get a little bit of a descent, which is going to be chilly, but I have definitely warmed up a little bit. So it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day.
Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you. I was just having to film, but that's just made my day. Thank you.
Oh.
How nice was that? Oh, it made my day. I had a little sing-song for my birthday. So yeah, in fact, let me just have a little sit down. Just because... So basically, I've not been filming because I was trying to make some time up, because about 30k or so back, 40k, it's been so cold this morning. Sorry, my hair must look terrible. Anyway, yeah, it was really cold, and then I saw like this field. It's like a little track off the side of the main road, and it's like a lovely field, and it had sun all in it, and I was like, oh my god, that looks so nice and toasty. I'm just going to go and sit there and just warm up for a minute. And so I took my helmet off and just thought, let's have a little lie down. And the next thing I know, there's a farmer there on his 4x4 with his sheepdog saying, are you alright? I can't do a Scottish accent. I wish I could. I'm terrible at accents. But he was just basically, are you alright? Are you alright? Are you alright? I was like, oh, yeah, I'm fine. He's like, I thought you were dead. Because that's a terrible accent. But he basically thought I'd found a body. But I'd just napped. And I was like, oh my God, what time is it? And I'd been there about half an hour. I had like a little half-an-hour cat nap. That's what it does when you're getting older. That's why I've not filmed much, but it is just like this. It's beautiful.
There's no reason to be lonely. Just tell me what you're thinking, instead of keeping it a secret. And I hope you know, kinda hard to show, but you are ever wanted. It's on your lips, they feel electric. It's on my mind, I can't forget it. I'm feeling.
I am really tired. So I'm going to have to stop again and just have a little sit down because I'm just so sleepy and just so tired. I think it's just starting to take its toll on me now. So I'm just going to have a little minute just sat in this, I don't even know what you call it, just kind of 5 minutes and then set back off. So I will see you later on. Sorry if there's not much footage later on, I'm just so tired. I need to put my camera away because I'm just so sleepy. So yeah, see you in a little bit. How stunning is this again? It is so quiet and so serene and so pretty and so beautiful. Look at all the mountains. You know I like mountains, it's just phenomenal. Just so pretty. I just wanted to share it with you just because just look at it. Such a good day, about 20k from home still, so still ploughing on, but so it's like 190k today, so about 170 now. But wow, it's just so pretty and stunning and beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna head off, show you some more as I go.